Uh, Tim, this is a video to show you how I've been measuring the radius on these parts. It's not that easy, but we can measure it. We do not cut the parts in half the way you say on the email. We use this fixturing alloy material here. You buy this with this number right here. Then you melt these parts in an angle like this. You melt it, then you put it here. This will get cool or dry in probably 1 or 2 minutes. Then you remove it. This is for both parts, 1267 and 1266. When you remove this part right here, then we have the radius. See, this is the information over here for this material. The instructions how to use. Then when we have the radius, we bring it to the comparator. And we want to ensure that start counting from here to here. Right now we have this radius right here are measuring 140. See, this right here is 100, and this right here is 120 and 140. They should be, you can see the radius all the way around right here. Now let me move it back to 105. Okay, 105 should be right here, and you see the radius is not matching our specification. It's bigger because when we go back to 140, see, that's 140 right there. And these parts will not work in application because somehow the o-ring don't fit properly and parts will leak. A few months ago we received two shipments from you, and we have 1,000 of good parts. I believe they were the part number 21260 and 1,000 with bad radius. We keep the good ones and we reject the bad ones last few months ago. Then I will show you right here too how we measure this 858 plus or minus 1. We have this tool here that this tool right here is already set at 858 plus 105 on each side, so this right here should be a 168 the dimension, and if you see right here, is set as 0. So when we measure the parts, somehow that should be in 0, but it's minus 6 or minus 5 thousandths, and parts should be minus or plus 1,000. Hope this video helped to understand how are we measuring these parts over here. We have received thousands of parts from you in the past. We did not have this issue like months and years ago, but somehow we continue seeing this problem and parts do not work in application. Thank you.